Hi guys, and welcome to my weekly series, Creative Tips. I'm Axl Mulat. In this video, I will share to you my top 5 favorite free high-quality images to your blog. Using these high-quality images can help to boost up your blog engagement to the visitors. And before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates on my useful videos every Tuesday, every week. And this is the one of my favorite freeimages.com. You can grab the free image here to use for your blog. Let's search for food. And this is the free images. Click this. You can free download this, guys. Download and choose your dimension you want. For me, this dimension is fit to my blog. And let's browse the second website, Unsplash.com. This is also a free high quality image. You can download this too. And number 3, guys, my favorite also is the stocksnap.io. They have a bunch of categories related to image: business, love, nature, food. And let's click this business. This image is related to business. I like this image too. And the 4th free images is Pixabay.com. This is one of my favorite. I grabbed some images from this website and I used to my blog. And the last one is the pixels.com. This is one of my favorite too. Pixels. And let's search images, guys, for our blog on this course. Let's go to my favorite. Let's search. Let's find an image, guys, related to my new blog post. I guess this is good, guys. This image, guys, is related to my next blog post. You can download to this button. Click this free download button and you can choose the dimension of this image. The fit to my blog is this dimension, 1280 by 853, and click download. And I already downloaded this image, guys. Let me show you in my desktop. This is the image, guys. In the next video, guys, we will be edit this image to canva.com. We'll be edit this for my blog. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get updates on my useful videos every Tuesday. Please like and share this video, guys. I know this video is very helpful to you, especially in social media. Share it to your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus as well. If you have a thought on this video, just fill in the comment box section and I'll be response as soon as possible. Once again, guys, my name is Axl Mulat. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.